How to add a reserve button on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. Go first and you open your Instagram. Then as you see, when your Instagram is opening, you go down and open your profile. Then you go to edit profile and you go to action button and click. Then go and click on Reserve, and here you will choose the website that you wanna to connect to your Instagram business profile, and then you will follow the rules. Then it will add this button on your profile. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.